Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is STORM 0539 gift card fraud. Okay, so before we start, I was going through the Microsoft documentation, and I was checking the latest news on the cyber signals issue that Microsoft posted, and they were discussing about STORM 0539. And it's a kind of gift card fraud which focuses on compromising gift card systems and transactions. So now this adversary targets gift card issuers by adapting techniques to keep pace with changes across retail, payment and other related industries. Right? Now, we all know that we are living in the age of digital transactions and online shopping. The online shopping has become an integral part of our daily lives. Okay, and as much as companies are investing in modernizing their cyber security and innovate their security programs, the threat of cybercrime looms. Right? And among these threats, gift and payment card fraud, which includes both gift cards from credit card companies or retailers, is pervasive and evolving. Now, the hackers or cyber criminals, I would say, they use increasingly sophisticated methods to compromise gift card portals before turning them into near untraceable cash. We have all heard about how ransomware affects us. I'll make few videos to discuss ransomware, but this is something also we need to know about. This STORM 0539 is also known as Atlas Lion, and its activities in the realm of throughout the years adapt. So if we discuss about how it started, so historically STORM 0539 increases its attack activity ahead of major holiday seasons between March and May 2024, right? In every holiday season, I'm talking about this year, ahead of the summer holiday season throughout the world. Now, Microsoft observed a 30% increase in intrusion activity from STORM 0539. Between September and December 2023, Microsoft observed a 60% increase in attack activity coinciding with fall and winter holidays. Okay, so 30% increase in STORM 0539 intrusion activity between March and May 2024, and 60% increase in STORM 0539 intrusion activity between September and December of 2024. If we talk about threat briefing, right? I'm going to pull up a new slide here. Alright, so attackers refine gift and payment card keys. Increase this. Okay, so what they are primarily doing, so they operate out of Morocco and is involved in financial crimes such as gift card fraud. Okay, their techniques include phishing, smishing, registering their own devices to victim environments to gain a persistent access, and leveraging access to target third-party organizations. They register devices so that multi-factor authentication prompts associated with a compromised victim account go to the attacker's device. Now, registering a device lets them wholly compromise an identity and persist in the cloud environment. They are active since late 2021. Okay, This cybercrime group represents an evolution of threat actors focused on attacking payment card accounts and systems. Now, attackers commonly compromised payment card data with point of sale malware in the past. So, this type is called as point of sale or POS. Okay. Industries have hardened their POS defenses, but this Storm 0539 adapted their attack techniques to compromise cloud and identity services in the criminal targeting of gift card portals linked to large retailers. What would an attack chain look like? How would the attack chain look like? So using employee directories and schedules, contact list and email inboxes, Storm 0539 targets employee personal and work mobile phones. Okay. Now once an employee account at a targeted organization is infiltrated, the attackers move laterally through the network trying to identify the gift card business processes, pivoting toward compromised accounts linked with a specific portfolio. Okay. Now they also gather information on virtual machines, VPN connections, SharePoint and OneDrive resources, as well as Salesforce, Citrix, and other remote environments. Okay. Now, after gaining the access, the group creates new gift cards using compromised email accounts. Okay. They then redeem the value associated with those cards, sell the gift cards to other threat actors on black markets, or use money mules to cash out the gift cards. After redeeming the value associated with the Storm 0539's reconnaissance and ability to leverage cloud environments are similar to what Microsoft observes from nation-state sponsored threat actors, showing how techniques popularized by espionage and geopolitical focused adversaries are now influencing financially motivated criminals. Okay, for example, Storm 0539 leverages their knowledge of cloud-based software, identity systems, and access privileges to target where gift cards are created instead of focusing solely on the end user. Okay, now this activity is a trend that we all should, and to camouflage themselves and remain undetected, Storm 0539 presents themselves as a legitimate organization to cloud providers in order to gain temporary application storage and other initial free resources for them. And sometimes, as part of this effort, they create websites that impersonate charities, shelters, and other non-profits in the United States, typically with the typo squatting, a deceptive practice where individuals register a common misspelling of an organization's domain as their own to trick users into visiting fraudulent sites. This is what they do. If you see on the right hand side, so they would start the free trial, gain access to virtual machines, and then from within the Microsoft, by doing the lateral movement, they go to the tenant, the actual tenant where the victim resides, and they provide these letters to show them as non-profit organization to get access to the cloud providers or cloud resources for free or for less rates. And sometimes this group also creates free trials or student accounts on cloud service platforms, typically providing new customers with 30 days of access. Okay. Within these accounts, they create virtual machines from which to launch their targeted operations. Now, they skill at compromising and created cloud-based attack infrastructure lets them avoid common upfront costs in the cybercrime economy, such as paying for host and servers, as they seek to minimize cost and maximize. Now, what are the recommendations? Token protection and least privilege access. Okay, you have to use policies to protect against token replay attacks by binding the token to the legitimate user's device, and apply the least privilege access principles across the entire technology stack to minimize the potential impact of an attack. Adopt a secure gift card platform. Right? If you are not, then consider switching to a system designed to authenticate payments. Merchants can also integrate fraud protection features to minimize losses. Phishing resistant MFA. Okay. Now transition to phishing resistant credentials that are immune to various attacks, such as FIDO2 security keys. Okay. Make sure that you require a secure password change when user risk level is high. Okay, educate your employees. Now, we should train employees to recognize potential gift card scams and decline suspicious orders. And how you can defend against the attack. We all know gift cards are attractive targets for fraud because unlike credit or debit cards, there are no customer names or bank accounts attached to them. Microsoft sees an uptick in activity from Storm 0539 focused on this industry around seasonal holiday periods like Memorial Day, Labor Day, and Thanksgivings in the US, as well as Black Friday and winter holidays observed around the world. Now, they tend to be associated with increased activity from the group. Okay. Now, typically organizations set a limit on the cash value that can be issued to an individual gift card. For example, if that limit is $100,000, the threat actor will issue a card for $99,000, then send themselves the gift card code and monetize them. Their primary motivation is to steal gift cards and provide by selling them online at a discounted rate. We have seen some examples where the threat actor has stolen up to $100,000 a day at certain companies. To defend against such attacks and prevent this group from gaining unauthorized access to gift card departments, companies issuing gift cards should treat their gift card portals as high value targets. They should be closely monitored and closely audited for any anomalous activity. Monitor gift Now, if you're an organization who creates or issues gift cards, you need to implement checks and balances to prevent quick access to gift card portals and other high-value targets. Continuously monitor logs to identify suspicious login. Okay. And companies should implement conditional access policies with MFAs. where authentication requests are evaluated using additional identity-driven signals like the IP address, location information, or device status. Unlike noisy ransomware threat actors who encrypt and steal data, then hackers you to pay. Storm 0539 skates around in a cloud environment, quietly gathering away concerns and abusing the cloud and identity infrastructure to achieve their end goal. Legitimate compromised emails and the mimicking of legitimate platform used by the targeted company once they have got required access to your emails, to your business emails, to your devices, to the cal list, and then understanding how you are working. Okay. Now, Microsoft Threat Intelligence has issued notifications to organizations affected by Storm 0539. And I hope this video was informative for you and you understood what is Storm 0539 and how they are targeting gift card frauds or payment gift card frauds all around the globe with different organizations, especially during the holiday season. So if you want anything to add, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.